Welcome to the investing portion of the WISE practice test. Using a brokerage firm, a qualified investor buys 1,000 shares of a common stock at $50 a share or 50% margin. This means that the investor will pay only $5,000 for the shares. An investor is buying 2,000 shares. A brokerage firm is lending the investor 50% of the money. Brokerage firm will own 50% of 1,000 shares of the stock that was purchased. This is slash the trash. A brokerage is not going to let you pick their stocks they're going to own. The correct answer is the brokerage is lending the investor 50% of the money. Margin means you're buying stock without having all of the money. 50% the brokerage is loaning you the money. A person owns a stock that pays a $2 a share dividend. If the person chooses to reinvest the dividend, that means that the $2 will go toward buying more of the same stock, stocks that are similar to those already owned, preferred stock in the corporation, or bonds in the corporation. If I made $2 a share of a dividend, that means that stock had a profit. Therefore, I'm buying more of that stock. Buying a treasury bill, T-bill, is best for investors who are looking for a place to invest between $100 to $500, a secure low-risk investment, a higher yield on their investment than corporate bonds offer, an investment that matures in 10 to 30 years. The correct answer is a secure low-risk investment. An investor bought 40 shares of ABC Corporation stock at $80 a share. So $80 times 40 is $3,200. 2 weeks later, the investor receives notice that the corporation was approved for a 2-for-1 stock split. Based on this information, the investor would own at the moment of the split 20 shares of the stock and the price of each share is at $80. That's not $3,200. 40 shares of the stock at $40. That is not $3,200. 80 shares of the stock and the price of each share is $40. That's $3,200. Or 80 shares of the stock and the price of each share is $80. That is not it. The correct answer is 80 shares of a stock at $40. Another way to think about it is you ask your parents if you can buy a $40 shirt. They say no way. Then you walk into the store the next day and they have 2-for-1. Buy one t-shirt, get one free. So you can buy the same shirt for $40, but you're getting 2 shirts. So in reality, you're paying $20 per shirt. You got 2 for 1. That's what a split is. Before the KISS Corporation can issue stocks or bonds, it must register the issue with the Board of Directors, the Federal Reserve, the World Bank, the Securities and Exchange Commission. The correct answers, the SEC, securities are stocks. So you see stocks, you see securities, you pick that. And also slash the trash. We never talked about the World Bank. What is the largest equities market in the world? American Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, over the counter. New York Stock Exchange. Just think the biggest city in the United States, New York. Where do people travel all over the world? New York, New York, New York, New York. A pharmacy is to drugs as the American Stock Exchange is to interest, stock advisors, securities, mutual funds. American Stock Exchange sells stocks. Pharmacy stores sell drugs. So we are going to go to securities because we go to the American Stock Exchange to buy securities. Remember, securities are stocks. As an investment, a person decides to buy a small house that has 3 rental apartments. The profits from this investment may be lower than expected if the tenant in the apartment decides to paint the hallways, mortgage on the house is paid off, taxes on the house are lowered, one of the apartments is not rented. If I am renting out 3 rental apartments, if they're all rented, I'm making money. If one is not rented, I am not making money. Therefore, my investment may be lower than expected. The correct answer is one of the apartments is not rented. The interest on United States Series EE savings bonds is exempt from state and local taxes, paid in a lump sum at the time of face value on the bond is reached, equal to the money paid to purchase it, deducted at the time of the bond's purchase. It's exempt from state and local taxes. Chris bought stock for $4,000, and 1 year later, he sold it for $5,000. His sale resulted in a yield, market value, capital gain, net profit. After you sell an investment after 1 year, is it a capital gain? Remember, gain. He gained money, and it's called capital gain after 1 year. So remember gain. The phrase, "don't put all your eggs in one basket," describes the following investment strategy: liquidity, return on investment, diversification, pooling. It's diversification. If you drop a carton of eggs, they all break. Diversification means if one stock tanks, you might be okay because the others do well. Jane owns common stock, a corporate bond, shares in 2 mutual funds, and a U.S. Treasury note. All of these together are called her retirement holdings, net worth, portfolio, investment package. It's her portfolio. It's a portfolio of all those things. Which of the following investments is guaranteed by the federal government? Common stock, corporate bonds, U.S. Treasury notes, preferred stock. If it's guaranteed by the federal government, that would have the word U.S. in it. U.S. Treasury notes. The price of the Candy Corporation stock will generally increase when there is positive news about earnings, investor confidence is declining, investors are bullish on the health sector, interest rates are rising. This is a good slash the trash. Candy Corporation has to do with candy, so investors are bullish on the health sector. Those are kind of opposing. If people are eating candy, might not have anything to do with the health sector. Whoops, that was wrong. The correct answer is positive news about corporate earnings. So that's when the stock will go up, is when there's positive news. If a business wants to raise capital but not create debt, it can float a bond issue common stock, borrow money from a bank, borrow money from the government. So they want to raise capital but not debt. Borrowing is raising debt. Bonds is raising debt, so they can issue common stock. A Neon Oil Corporation tanker spilled oil in the ocean around Australia. As a result of this accident, the share price of this stock is likely to increase, decrease, not be affected, and remain about the same, fluctuate. So something terrible happened to the Neon Oil Corporation, so most likely their share price is going to decrease. Sarah has invested in corporate bonds, which are issued by banks and investment firms. Loans to the issuer of the bond, returns the face value of the bond at a maturity less the last interest payment, loans with ownership privileges. The correct answer is a corporation is issuing them, so loans to the issuer of the bond. Remember, bonds are loans. Robin is an investor. Which financial product makes her a shareholder in a corporation? Bonds, certificate of deposit, common stocks, bond mutual funds. Stocks are when you own part of the company. Stocks are shareholders. The price of a security may be affected by renovations, destinations, current events, wages. So the price of a security, which is a stock, can be affected by current events. Think about the virus that's going around right now. Michelle and Claudia have a 7-year-old son. They won $50,000 on a TV game show and want to put it away for their son's education. Which of the following has the highest potential growth and the highest risk? Savings account, checking accounts, U.S. government savings bonds, common stocks. So we are looking for the highest potential growth. And with highest potential growth, there's higher risk. That would be common stocks. What is the chief reason corporations issue stock? To raise money for the corporation, to give consumers ownership in their company, to secure tax advantages, to help the economy. Corporations are in there to make money, so they do it to raise money for themselves. Why does a corporation issue bonds? To raise money for expansion or other company operations, to expand ownership of the corporation, to comply with the Securities and Exchange Commission, to keep from being bought by another corporation. Corporations issue bonds, which means they're borrowing money, and that's usually when they want to do expansion. When an investment company raises money from investments and invests the money in stocks, bonds, and other securities, the investment instrument is called a stock, mutual fund, corporate bond, government bond. It's a mutual fund. A fund is investing in all these different things, a mutual fund. Matthew and Alicia just had a baby. They received money as baby gifts and want to put it away for the baby's college tuition. Which of the following has the lowest potential growth rate over the next 18 years? savings account, certificate of deposit, U.S. government bonds, common stocks. Savings accounts are places where you keep short-term money for emergencies, and they have the lowest growth rate. Publicly held corporations are not-for-profit organizations, are listed first on the New York Stock Exchange, have shares of stock that are held by public outside investors, guarantee a positive return to investors. You can slash the trash. There's no guarantees on publicly held corporations. But what it is, publicly held corporations have shares of stock that are held by public. And this one, the answer is actually in the question. There you have it. Good luck on the investing portion of the whys. You can do this. Get 100. This is Miss Marshall.